Welcome to Bike Shift. Today, we're diving into the stylish and powerful new 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium maxi scooter that blends comfort, performance, and modern technology. Built by Suzuki, this latest Burgman model aims to redefine urban commuting while offering highway capability in a sleek package. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 carries forward the iconic Burgman DNA with a more aggressive and modern twist. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights, a wider windshield, and aerodynamic body panels that give it a premium road presence. The long and flowing body design not only looks elegant but also enhances rider comfort. The scooter offers a spacious seat with excellent cushioning, making it perfect for long rides. The step-through design and wide floorboard provide a relaxed riding posture, which is ideal for both city traffic and extended cruising. At the heart of the Burgman 180 is a refined 180 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This engine is designed to deliver smooth acceleration and consistent performance, whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising on open roads. The scooter produces strong mid-range torque, ensuring quick overtakes and effortless riding. The automatic CVT transmission makes riding simple and stress-free, especially in urban environments. With improved fuel efficiency and reduced vibrations, the 2026 model feels more refined than ever before. Comfort is where the Burgman 180 truly shines. It features advanced suspension with telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock setup, which absorbs bumps and uneven roads with ease. The large seat, backrest support, and relaxed ergonomics make it one of the most comfortable scooters in its segment. Additionally, the wide handlebars and balanced weight distribution provide excellent stability, even at higher speeds. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 comes loaded with modern features. It includes a fully digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, call alerts, and ride data. Other features include keyless ignition, USB charging port, traction control, and dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. The scooter also offers ample under-seat storage, capable of holding a full-face helmet and other essentials. Despite its powerful engine, the Burgman 180 maintains impressive fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for daily commuting. The large fuel tank ensures fewer stops, while the spacious storage compartments add convenience for everyday use. Its smooth handling and comfortable ride make it suitable for riders of all experience levels, from beginners to experienced commuters. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 is expected to be positioned as a premium scooter, competing with other maxi scooters in the market. While the exact pricing may vary by region, it is likely to attract buyers looking for a balance of luxury, performance, and practicality. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 is a complete package for those who want more than just a basic scooter. With its stylish design, refined engine, advanced features, and unmatched comfort, it stands out as a top choice in the maxi scooter segment. If you're looking for a scooter that delivers both city convenience and long-distance comfort, the Burgman 180 is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates and in-depth reviews of the latest bikes and scooters.